to create a follow-up activity, follow-up action, you could also go to the Activity tab and create a new follow-up action. Depending on the category, you could select this is a follow-up against which plan. So for example, if we choose account plan follow-up actions, here we are able to assign this follow-up action to a user. If I'm a manager and I want to assign this to one of my rep, I could choose from the list. And we could select the accounts from the list. So for example, if we select one of the accounts, and we can select the associate account plan that we want to follow up. So for example, if this is about a hospital listing plan, and we could fill in all these necessary information. For example, what are the products, what are the customers that we are engaging with, then we can hit complete. That will create a follow-up action